All right, so here we have a 92 NA Miata. We got manual crank windows, and it's not going down all the way. It goes down about there, and she doesn't want to keep going. So I was like, I'm just gonna take it apart and figure it out. And might as well make a video. So currently taking the door panel off here. Pretty simple. You just pull these tabs, just gently pull them all around. Then you have this piece here. See on the back, 4 little pull tabs. Pull them off. You have a Phillips screw right in here. You'll see it right behind the door lock. Essentially, take this out, and you got a screw, I'm pretty sure, behind here. Yep, so back here we have a Phillips. And now you have a screw right here, Phillips, and another screw right here, Phillips. All right, so now we have to remove this handle next. I push this back here, you'll see that little clip. You're gonna push that off, and just gonna pull the handle off. So it's got this little clip. If you push this back and look down there with the flashlight, it's a lot easier to see what you're doing. But that clips right onto there. I'm just gonna pull up and out, set this to the side. All right, so the issues are actually right here. This, if you look right here, really easy like this. But this little wire right here gets stuck sometimes, but under this little white piece right there. You can see this wire under it. You have to kind of fidget with it and move this black thing above that. So I also noticed while looking down here, it gets stuck in between there, but you see right in there, it's got a clip right back into that. To get better access to that, I'm gonna take this piece off, and it's right in there. And I'm guessing it's like a 10 or a 12 right in there. So it turned out to be a 10. We're gonna zap that out and make sure to grab the piece that might fall. All right, so as you can see now where that has to go, it has to clip right into there. A lot more room now that we took that piece out. I did also choose to put some penetrating lubricant here and in there. Rolled up and down a couple times. It did seem to lubricate it some, but I'm not sure to recommend that or not. Yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, so let's reassemble. This is pretty straightforward, but before you slide this on, is you'll make sure you have all these clips out of the door and slid in and down all around here. They're like all on the bottom there. Next, you're just gonna kind of take it and slide it on like that. And then make sure all these are lined up down here and just push them right in. Pop it in. Pretty straightforward. Next, you're gonna want to slide this ring on first, and then the door handle. And then you're gonna want to get the clip right here and slide it on back. I actually found it a lot easier to slide the clip on with the handles off and just push the door on, door handle on, and it goes right on. And now we have a fully working window. Pretty nice. Now let's get these armrests back on. Well, that was pretty simple. Just literally 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. Don't forget this little cap that clips in there. And let's get to the speaker cover. Don't forget to put this little piece of cardboard on. I don't know why, just, very important. Slide on over. It's more of a 2-hand procedure. And then just 4 easy clips. Last thing we have now is our door handle, or not handle, but I guess handle cover, and a little Phillips screw. Super easy to slide this on. One-handed though might not be too easy. Just like that. And just screw that in with the Phillips screwdriver. All right, and that's basically it. I did clean it as well, do some leather protecting and conditioning on it. Tire sat the past 5.5 years. Yeah, I guess stay tuned. Let me know if you want to see more videos. I'm already doing a manual swap on it, so I have the literally everything here actually to do it. But yeah, just let me know if you want to see any Miata things. Good stuff.